Bust down, Barbiana, bust down, Barbiana. Bust down and pick that shit up. Bust down and pick that shit up. Bust it open and pick that shit up. Bust it open and pick that shit up.
Hey yo, I've been a bad bitch, Kakiana, and I'm still winning Pakiana. Percocets, Papiana, killing everybody beat. Thank you,
Patty,
next Ariana. You gon' have to give me Tapiana. It's what they waiting for. Okay.
Hi guys, it's your Grace. Welcome back to my
Sayonara.
channel. And if you're new to my channel, of course, welcome to my channel. So for today's video, we're going to be doing a tutorial on this glammed up pink smoky eye. I don't know why I'm feeling a little bit pinky today, and even my lip is pink. And of course, this is like my go-to perfect complexion. Like, my skin is literally to die for right now. So I hope you guys do enjoy this tutorial. If this is your first time subscribing to my channel, thank you so very much for stopping by. Do not forget to hit that subscribe button and make sure you turn your notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload. And if you're not following me on any of my social media, what are you waiting for? It's right there on the screen. Make sure you add me, follow me, let's become best of friends. With that being said, let's get right into this video.
got 10 million bucks for shit that I ain't even do yet. You spent your money, but I ain't say I was your boo yet. You got your feelings hurt, I ain't really mean to do that. I'm just a bad bitch, I'm sorry I put you through that. I'm from New York, but we don't never say good morning. Gripping the block and he don't come on till the morning. I always prayed to have a building with a doorman. Now I'm so busy, I
Alright,
gotta
I hope you guys did enjoy that tutorial. As always, I had a blast filming it for you guys. If you guys did enjoy this tutorial, please do not forget to give it a thumbs up. If you guys have any other looks, video, anything you'd like to see on the channel, feel free to comment it below. I love to create it for you guys. If this is your first time subscribing to my channel, thank you so very much for stopping by. I hope you did enjoy this video, but please do not forget to hit that subscribe button before you head out. And just in case you don't have your notification bell on, make sure you turn on your notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload. And if you're not following me on any of my social media, what are you waiting for? It's right there on the screen. Make sure you add me, follow me, let's become best of friends. With that being said, thank you guys always for all the love and all the support on the channel. And I will see you guys all in my next upload. Bye!